Hi everyone, my name is Shayna from WTI, and say hello to your new favorite maple syrup. So this is the Tree Knees Gingerbread Maple Syrup, and OMG. So I love gingerbread season, and I always have to buy everything gingerbread. So when I saw this syrup, I knew that I would be in love. And it's so amazing that I can read every single ingredient on here. I know it's clean, which is really important. There's nothing artificial in here. And there is just that subtle gingerbread taste, and it doesn't overpower the maple taste, which is good because I also love maple flavoring. And this is perfect for crepes and waffles and pancakes and even overnight oats. And I started to use this as a sweetener in my coffee, and I made a maple gingerbread latte, and let me tell you, it was so yummy. So I'm so happy that I don't have to wait for gingerbread season to get my gingerbread kick, and now you won't either, and that's my point of view.